settle down and bring it in. I need all your eyes and ears on this, because it's a big one. We've received reliable intel from the USIA. A major deal is going down at the old Elysian Hotel. For those of you that don't venture that far out of the city, it's an abandoned resort that was supposed to be a paradise for the rich and famous. Now it's an inhospitable wreck surrounded by the ocean on 3 sides. It's one of those places that the city forgot and has long been a meeting point for trouble. The word, as we have it, is that 2 groups are meeting down there for a trade of some kind. Intel has been vague, to say the least, but set your minds away from this being your run-of-the-mill drug trade bust. What we do know is that the goods being transferred are of high importance and need to be secured at all costs. It could be weapons, explosives, chemicals, or whatever it is these groups are dealing in. We can't let either of them leave with it in their possession. We don't have much intel on the sides involved, other than that one is a pirate group called Los Navegantes del Caos. Coast has informed us that they've been expanding their operations in recent years. They're comprised of mostly Central and South Americans operating predominantly along the Baja coast, traveling far up and down the North Pacific coast. Intel has led us to conclude that they've acquired something of high value and interest for willing buyers, looking to find that big payday and offload it to the highest bidder. The other side is a group called Black Sentinel, a rogues gallery comprised of highly trained individuals. We're talking ex-military, tier 1s, mercenary-type backgrounds, all well-armed and well-disciplined. We've spoken with the USIA, and they've confirmed several former USIA agents are active in this group. Expect heavy contact with the potential number of suspects involved in this, so I need you all to be prepared. This has clusterfuck written all over it. Thankfully, with this deal taking place so far out of town, we don't expect any civilians out there. So concentrate on your surroundings and look out for each other. Rules of engagement are clear. Use lethal force if you identify a threat. Stay sharp, watch yourselves, and cover each other. As soon as we engage with the suspects, you can expect helicopter support to follow shortly after. Time on target is 1500, so let's get moving.
Entry team, this is Talk. Our negotiator has just lost contact with the suspects. They are angry and volatile. You are go for entry.
I got the one.
We're overhead, ready to assist. You've got air support.
Opening on the right. It's good. Looks good.
Provide cover.
Confirmed.
Mirror it.
Affirmative. Doors unlocked. Wand's ready. Opening on the left. No traps visible. No contact.
Through the door and clear.
Copy. Swap.
Moving!
Opening on the right. Chem light.
Put it down!
Empty over here. No contact. Good here.
No surrender! Come on, motherfuckers!
Put it down! Contact down!
Stay on me.
I'm with you. Guided bag. Evidence secured.
Post up and cover.
Got it.
Mirror for suspects.
On it. Wand ready. Opening on the right. Looks good. All good here. Unlocked.
Get the door and move in.
Got it.
Breaching! Put your hands up now! Hands in the air!
Nothing here.
Here. Got nothing. Drop your weapons!
Where you going, huh? Hey, ayúdame!
Police, get down! On my 6.
Behind you.
Stay still.
Gonna pack it up. Good to go. Talk. Suspect ready.
Element, this is Talk. Trailers
Drop the
notified.
Suspect down.
Lead, this is Talk. Proceed with mission.
Got him. Good to go.
Ram it. Clear with stingers.
Confirmed. Switch with me. Breaching. Breaching. Switch.
Don't move!
Opening on the left.
Fucking shoot me!
Good here.
Turn around
Empty over
slowly.
here. No contact. Secured. Secure suspect secured.
Come back
Talk
here!
to entry team. Trailers incoming.
Moving in!
You're in my way, sir.
Move, move, move!
Opening on the left. Looks clear over here, boss.
On me. Move.
Got your back.
Drop it! Police, drop your weapon! Gun!
Drop the weapon down. Hold on, hands up.
Down! Contact is down! Reloading! Watch my back!
I'll bag it. Everything's good to go. Zipped up and good to go. Safe.
Police, get down!
Drop the weapon!
Lead to talk. Threat is down.
Relax.
Talk to Element.
Securing.
Notifying medical.
Got them all. Got it bagged. Thank you,
Target
safe.
located. North. Keep eyes sharp.
You fucking with
Evidence
los
and copy to go.
navegantes del Chaos. Remember that. Where the fuck you going, huh?
Post up and cover the area.
Moving up.
Wanted.
All right. Mirror's ready. Good. Got multiple openings here. Looks safe. Suspect, weapon in hand.
Open and clear with flashbangs.
Stand with me. Flash out.
Visual confirmed. Target on the move. North.
On me.
You got point. Talk. Contact down.
Talk
Turn
to
around and
entry
stay
team.
still.
Notifying trailers.
Entry team to talk. The suspect secured.
Talk here. Continue mission.
You'll be seeing us again soon.
Open it and clear it with a flash.
Copy. Swap.
I'm going!
Got an opening on the right.
Police, don't move! Show me your hands! Look out! Let me see those hands! Moving! I'm out!
Provide support on me.
Switching mag! Changing mag!
Post up and cover the
Looks like they
area.
left this place to rot. Stay sharp. Expect the price. It's open. We're good to go. You're in my spot.
C2 flashing clear.
On it. Got some bang for your buck.
Talk to lead. EMTs and trailers are standing
Turn
by.
around. Keep your hands up. Stay down and turn around.
Dropping a light. Element, talk.
Turn around.
Talk here. Beauty. Keep them coming.
Searching. Lead to talk.
Talk to element. Excellent work. Don't stop
Falling
now.
behind me.
until we're all dead.
Lead to talk. Evidence bagged.
Element, this is talk. Secure the area and we'll send forensics in.
Good to go. I got it. I'll bag it.
You can't see the strings being pulled around you.
I'll zip it up. Gonna pack
We
it
don't
up.
have much time.
Zipped up. Suspect is ready.
To the game, you can't even see.
Suspect cuffed and secure. I'll safe it. I'll zip it up.
Evidence
Good to
talk.
go.
Weapons safe.
You're beneath us. You don't understand. You have to stop them. Worthless.
I got it. I'll get it.
You got any idea?
Hey, all good.
Out of round. LSPD!
Suspect is down and in need of medical attention.
Entry team, this is talk. Make them stable and proceed with mission.
I'll take it. Out of the way, sir. Evidence to succeed.
We got people everywhere. There's no place you can fucking hide. Drop the gun now! Drop the weapon now! Son of a bitch! Drop the gun! Don't make me shoot you! Please! Get on the ground now! Arms outstretched! I'm out.
Got him.
Let Let me through, man.
Good to go.
Shut that down. I'm out. Cover me.
Got it bagged. Evidence secure.
Never forget a face. Yours is going to be missing from your head.
Search and secure.
On it. For any contact. Doing a sweep.
Searching.
Sweeping. Checking.
Enter and clear.
Ready.
On my 6.
Got your 6.
Move there.
On my way.
Fall in.
Behind you.
Search and secure the area.
I'm on you.
Made a big mistake.
I'll bag it.
I got it.
Talk.
Going into
I'll
kill.
bag it.
This is Talk.
Doing a sweep.
Talk copies all.
Checking.
Checking the area. Gonna pack it up.
You got any idea who you're messing with?
I'll get it. Suspect ready for a trip downtown.
I'll bag it. I'll save it. Gonna pack it up.
I'll zip it up. Got
I'll
it
save
bagged. Evidence
Talk
secured.
reporting. Great job, entry team. Come home for debrief.